Hello, my name is Maverick Collins. This is my video submission for Contact Management System Part 2. We're tasked with creating the Contact Manager class based off the given UML. So as you can see here is the UML given to us from Dr. Madrazo, Professor Madrazo. And we wanted to be able to interface with our contact objects and create new contacts, get contacts, show contacts, save contacts to a text file, and then load contacts from a text file. So without further ado, let's run it, and I could show you guys some of my functionality. See here, there's been lots of testing. So let's just run it. I've already preloaded. Um, I've already preloaded these contacts. Um, I could delete them after we're done and show it working. But just for the sake of the example, we'll run it with the contacts we have loaded. So here's myself, and I've added a fake contact, Antelope, white. So there's total count of 2 contacts, displaying all contacts. So let's take a look at my main. So in the main here, we initialize a new contact manager called manager. We then initialize a file name called contacts.txt. We'll create one. We're then going to read in the file. And when we read in the file, we're going to then load the contacts. After the contacts are loaded, we'll close the file and output the contacts were loaded. I added this cool little feature too. If the file can't open, then it'll see error, a file cannot load or cannot read. Then we're going to redundantly display all the contacts just to make sure we did, in fact, grab all the loaded contacts. So as you can see here, we loaded contact 1, Maverick, contact 2, Antelope. And you can see here, we're outputting both of them. And finally, we're going to add the contact. So make sure I have a, yep, I have saved contacts. Okay, good. Just making sure I had the right in there as well. So, okay, let's add a new contact. Let's go ahead and say this is, I don't know, Michael Phelps. Michael Phelps. I don't know his middle name. We're just going to say it's John. We're going to say he lives in 500 Swimmer's Way. We'll say he's in Scottsdale, Arizona. I don't know the zip code. 833. No local area codes. We'll just put 808 414 8000. Okay, so boom, you can see we added Michael Phelps. He lives in Summers Way, Scottsdale, Arizona. The only functionality I had a hard time getting this to work for was the get contact. As you can see here, I don't think this is gonna work. It's been driving me, been pulling my hair out trying to get this to work for the last few hours. Yeah, I get a Stack Overflow for some reason. Been trying to do all this air checking to no avail. That's the only functionality that I had troubles with, but it did properly save it, I believe. Yep, so it did add Michael Phelps to the list, and we could uh, start this from scratch just to make sure it is working. So let's see what happens when I go back to the main. Okay, so there's no contacts loaded. The total set equals 0. Not displaying any contacts because we didn't load any. And then we could go ahead and redundantly just do this one more time. Just make sure it works. Okay. Easy Street. And we're going to be in Anchorage, Alaska. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. And boom, you can see I added a new contact. Okay, we'll say 0. Yeah, the getters I've had a lot of trouble with, but as you can see, it did save it and finish the output, and we'll test it, and there it is. So That's my solution for contact management 2. Thank you for your time, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.